Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn all about the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum. Let's get started. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a chilling reminder of the destructive power of nuclear weapons. Originally built in 1915 as the Hiroshima Prefectural Industrial Promotion Hall, the building was eerily left partially standing after the atomic bomb attack on 6 August 1945. Located near the bomb's detonation point, the building's unique destruction, some walls and steel frames preserved, while everything inside vaporized, offers a horrifying glimpse into the bomb's immediate impact. The stark contrast between destruction and preservation sparked debate, but ultimately, the ruins were designated a memorial in 1966, a permanent testament to the over 140,000 lives lost in Hiroshima alone. Today, the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, designed by renowned architect Ken Stange, encompasses the A-bomb dome and serves as a space for reflection, education, and a fervent hope for peace. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum within the park houses a collection of artifacts, photographs, and videos that paint a harrowing picture of the bombing's devastation. Models and diagrams illustrate the bomb's destructive force, while historical exhibits explore the events leading up to World War II, the development of nuclear weapons, and the long-term health effects of radiation exposure on survivors. The Peace Memorial Cenotaph, a large, arched structure, honors all the victims of the atomic bomb. The Children's Peace Monument, a small, poignant statue of a young girl with outstretched arms, serves as a constant reminder of the innocent lives lost. The flame of peace, continuously lit since 1964, signifies humanity's yearning for a world free from nuclear weapons. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial transcends a simple historical marker. It's a powerful call to action, urging us to learn from the devastating consequences of nuclear war and work tirelessly towards a future where these weapons are forever abolished. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: the Hiroshima Peace Memorial serves as a reminder of the destructive power of nuclear weapons. The preserved ruins of the A-bomb dome offer a glimpse into the immediate impact of the atomic bomb. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park is a space for reflection, education, and a fervent hope for peace. The museum within the park educates visitors about the bombing's devastation and the long-term effects of radiation. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.